What's up, everyone? So finally gonna put the RB into the car. Pretty much got it all ready to go. Tranny's on, everything's onto the motor that needs to be, and we're gonna drop it into the car. Here she is, and the car's in there. Pretty much just have to pull it out of there and start putting her back in. So I'm gonna start pulling the car out right now and jacking it up and getting it ready to go so we can drop the motor in. All right, so we got the car over here, got it ready to go pretty much. Put the car in the jack stands, have the motor right there on the hoist, and just gonna bring it over here to drop her in. Here with me, my friend Taylor and Joseph.
Hey guys.
They're gonna be helping me install the motor and getting it going again. So we're gonna do that now, and we'll show you guys in a little bit. So we got the motor in there. Already swapped in the 40. Still got a couple things left to go. Gotta wire it up, put the intercooler, the exhaust, and just finish it all out. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish everything tomorrow during the day when I can see a little better, and maybe even try to start it if I can. Actually, I need the valve cover seals still. I'm still waiting for the valve cover seals, but maybe try to start it or get some oil pressure tomorrow with the pre-luber that I was talking about that I'm gonna make, and I'll show you guys that once I get all the things tomorrow and start making it. Thank you to my friends Joseph and Taylor. Matt's here too. So last night my friends actually ended up coming through, and we ended up putting the motor into the car already. The car's pretty much almost ready to go. I guess now I just need to do a couple of things left. Put the intercooler, fuel pressure, regulator, lines, a couple little things left to pretty much get it going. I still have to do the pre-luber or pre-oiler thing I was talking about, just to get oil pressure before you even crank it over, and I'm gonna show you guys that on a different video. But I'm gonna show you guys right now. I just gotta get the car pretty much put together so we can try to start it and get it on the first drive. Here she is. Moved it back to my storage. Finally out of the other storage over there. And the motor's in there. So I'm gonna start getting all the stuff in there right now. All the little things I gotta do. Put the whole front back together. And that's it. I'll show you guys in a little bit once I have it almost put together. One little thing I want to show you guys also right now, since I'm putting it back together. I made my radiator support removable. I saw this online. Someone made like a cool little piece right here. I just made a straight bracket and pretty much the same thing. I just cut the radiator support so you can take it on and off, and put this bracket right here so it holds it back into place exactly where it was pretty much on both sides. And then you just undo the bottom bolts right here, and the whole radiator support comes out. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have to lift the motor like 100 foot in the air and angle it like 90 degrees down to put it in the 240. I mean, eventually I want to do a full tube front in the car, but right now it's just on a budget, and it helps out a lot. I'm also going to do probably a better crash support right here. Like a tubed one. I'm not sure which one yet, but I'm gonna change this. The stock one doesn't really do anything. Helps a little, it's better than not having anything, but I'm gonna get something better for that. Alright, let me put it back on and start putting the parts back on it. Alright, so I got her pretty much almost ready to go. I put all the things back on it that are easy and I can access it really fast. I have a little couple of things left I have to do, which is pretty much put the exhaust on, the drive shaft, bleed the clutch, and finish some of the wiring, and it should be able to start up. Before I start it up, I'm gonna do the oil system. I'm gonna make another video on that. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna run the AccuSump, relocate the oil filter, and my bigger oil cooler that I'm adding to it. I'll show you guys that. And after that, I'm gonna do the oil pre-luber. Pretty much just add oil pressure to the engine before we even crank it over. So hopefully there's no problems or anything gets damaged in the process of doing that. And it'll just be better. I don't have to crank it at all. I could just start it up with the first try, no cranking it, nothing. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Probably in the next video, the next couple of days or so, I'm gonna show you guys that. So stay tuned. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I'm new to this and I'm just starting off with doing these videos. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm learning as I go, and I'm not a professional at engine building, and I'm not trying to tell you guys how to do this stuff, but it's just what I've researched and what I've learned throughout the years of me driving and building the cars myself. So I'm just showing you guys what works, and if it doesn't work, you're gonna see it also, and we'll learn together. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.